Now, you guys tell me, what do you think about marriage? Means, what was the topic that you all enjoyed so much? So I am also inquisitive to know what was that you all found it so interesting. So share your views about marriage. Could you all please start, or shall I start? Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
See, when we talk about marriage, it is not that uniting of two people. It is uniting of two families. That must be clear. We are living in India. We are not living abroad where they have contact with the family, but they don't have connection with the family. It is marriage is a bonding between two families. You can't say that it's a bonding between only two human relations. No, it's not that. I would just share one last evening's anecdote what happened. My domestic help, she called at around 9 o'clock and informed me that her brother-in-law passed away. He committed suicide. And just few years back, he got married. Now, what pushed him to such an extent that he took such an extreme step? And then I came to know that he had fought with his wife, and there used to be lots of skirmish as well as scuffles between both husband and wife. And yesterday, God knows what happened, what went in his mind, that he committed suicide. Now, committing suicide because of skirmishes is not the solution. It is not the solution. We want marriage. When two people are staying together, there should be harmony, peace, all around love. It's not all about having one honeymoon period. It lasts only for a short time. The balance period, you have to learn to adjust. It's about two people coming from two opposite directions, because most of us come from a different culture, different family, and then trying to adjust and uniting together with adjustment, and above all, fidelity. Fidelity is very, very important when we talk about marriage. And second one is compatibility. No two persons can be having the same ideas, same views. And before marriage, people start dreaming of perfection, perfection. There's nothing like perfection. You have to mold yourself. Mold yourself in such a way that you have a happy married life. And trust me, if in marriage life, in front of children, if you are fighting, what impact will be on the mind of the children? What they will come to know, that parents are always fighting like cats and dogs. So what they will also learn that. So my dear children, what I want to tell you all, that please, for God's sake, remember that when you are going to get married, some of you are bachelors, then one thing, keep it in your mind: compatibility, not from one side, but from both the sides. Now, y'all can share your opinion also. Sheetal, anybody, please share your opinion.
Ma'am, I missed the initial part. I don't know what the topic is.
The topic is about marriage only we are talking.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh? Yeah, tell me something about what is marriage all about?
Okay, I feel initially, as you said, it is all about the appearance and the superficial things.
Yes.
That gets over, after a short period of time. You rightly said, ma'am. Later on, it is all about how you want to, adjust with your partner, and you should be both of them should be willing to make that marriage work. Then only I think it happens. One way, only one way. I think nobody can try for too long. Both of them should be willing to give it a try and make it successful.
Correct.
As you said, fidelity is very, very important. Nowadays, I don't know. I don't know why people do that. You know.
They have extramarital affairs and all nowadays.
Yeah, ma'am. Extramarital affairs have become very common. And I know a friend of mine where she thought her husband was having an affair. It had given her a lot of low self-confidence, and she used to be always worried. And but she was helpless, like she was feeling helpless about it. She didn't know how to deal with it. She used to confront her husband, but then he said, no, nothing like that. But then he used to talk over phone with her on Sundays as well. The lady was someone from his work. Okay. So I know this happens, and she used to be very stressed, and it was giving her low self-confidence. She used to try everything, on his birthdays. She used to try give him gift in his office, and she would try to surprise him, and all those things. All those efforts I could see, but then inside she used to feel she was broken.
It doesn't only break. By chance, a man has an affair in the office, what happens? Do you know? The lady at home might be not working, and then she gets the low self-esteem, what you told. And sometimes they do some drastic things. For example, they start they start having this different type of dressing sense. Or they start smoking or drinking just to impress the husband.
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly, ma'am. She used to do all this kind of things so that just her to get attention from her husband. I mean, that is very sad. Why should she work so much to get his attention? I mean, I don't think. I think it is his responsibility also to care for the relationship equally.
Correct.
Why only the woman has to try? I don't know why society always expects women to do all the work, and he will be like sand. He can do anything.
Sheetal, but I think women have great patience.
Yes.
This part is there. Yeah. What do you think, Himanshi?
Yes, ma'am. Patience is very important because I did arrange marriage. So
most of us do arrange marriages only in India. Most of us. Yeah.
So the first year of the marriage was difficult.
Correct.
So we have to adopt too many new things, and our expectations is different. So we have to adjust that also.
Right.
So yeah, after 1 year, if we did the patience thing, then we can easily
adjust ourselves.
Adjust ourselves, yeah.
Somebody else? Someone from the boys' side? Yeah, Mohit?
Ma'am, actually marriage is, ma'am, lifelong commitment between two individuals.
Yes.
And without nowadays marriage happening, love marriage or arranged marriage. But the marriage which is most successful with the consent of parents. If anybody is doing marriage, love marriage, it's not wrong also. With the consent of parents.
Consent of parents should be there. I agree.
Why? Because in comparison to us, parents have more experience.
Right.
And the pillar of successful marriage, as you told, ma'am, is fidelity and compatibility.
True.
But respect must be there, ma'am, for our partners also.
For both. It should
both,
not be the girl takes advantage or the boy takes advantage. What do you think, Raghavendra or Vadiraj? Vadiraj is the experience holder, so.
According to me, okay. Raghavendra, you can carry on.
Vadiraj?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, according to me, madam, it is as you mentioned rightly, it is a bonding between, it is not only with the boy and girl, it is a bonding between two families. Right. I also belongs to your generation, almost near to your generation. Because in those times we never used to see that girl and all, only after marriage only, or at the time of marriage only we used to see the girl.
Yes.
Then then love starts, then bonding starts. So attachment starts, everything starts. Now, what I'm trying to say is, as you mentioned, the fidelity is very, very important. There will be disagreement. That disagreement we have to, by arguing, by conversation, we have to clear it, and we have to discuss. And there will be lots of misunderstanding will be there. We have to make it discussion, and we have to
Should be a policy of
understand.
talk. There should be a policy of sit and talk.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Argument is not the solution. In arguments, no party listens to other because of the ego.
Yes, sir.
Ego, this fat ego plays a very important part in breaking the families. So first we have to keep aside our ego and then sit and talk. Ashit, what do you think, child?
I feel marriage is a lifetime partnership between two souls. So who comes together to celebrate their life. But what happen? These are not happen in real life because of some misunderstanding. Yeah, misunderstanding. And as you earlier you said, compatibility is not there, and also fertility. These are the reason, and also love marriage, arranged marriage. These, I think both are good, but
Both
in
are
a different.
good.
Yes.
What
Yeah.
Mohit said just now, I
Yes.
agree with him. But if it is with the consent of the parents, then
Yes.
it becomes stamp.
Yes. Yes.
Stamp, and
Yes.
that works better. I
Yes.
feel
Yes.
that works better. Raghavendra, you were telling something?
Yeah, ma'am. Like all said, fidelity, compatibility, and respect also. And there will be the ego also will matter. Like sometimes, if you consider any small, a small fight and all, whatever the skirmish will happen, that might be because of trivial issues.
Yeah,
But
they are very trivial.
yeah,
Afterwards, you only will sit and laugh if you both think together. You will sit and laugh for that trivial issue for what the fight was there.
yeah. But the love marriage couple may not be in a position to assess the future or complexities in lifetime. So this all things will happen as per my view. Like if it is arranged marriage, then there will be very less conflict between the couples. Like effectively, they will be resolved and they will be guided by the parents.
True, guided by the parent, that plays a very important role. What do you think, Sudeep?
Good morning, ma'am. I feel that marriage, first of all, is a very big gamble. Anything can happen. It has risk also, it has benefits also. So it's completely luck. So fidelity and trust is always there. See, earlier the bride and groom did not have much option to select from. Whatever their parents and grandfather had selected, they used to get married. And earlier, if you see, arranged marriage was successful.
They were
successful, but somehow down the line, now this century, it has become very complex.
Sudeep, here I would like to just add one thing. It's not necessary that the marriages in olden days, past life, they were successful. There was adjustment in the
adjustment,
marriage.
Right?
Not, having a happy life, but they said, okay, it's all done now.
Correct.
We're not there, we'll adjust. That was there.
Yeah, it was not like visible to other people were ready to compromise.
Right.
Now people are not ready to compromise because both the husband and wife are independent. Both are working. They will not accept anything husband says or wife says. And patience also has gone down. And I feel that marriage should happen. It is. We should not think of not getting married because it is against the nature. So we have to complete the cycle of getting married, getting kids. That's how the earth goes on.
Correct.
But obviously, what I feel that you should not get married at the very early age right now, because
Nobody gets
You should not compromise. I feel that you should not compromise when you are 100% sure you are committed and want to get married and want to take the responsibility of a additional person and a family. Then only you jump and get married, because it is not only about you, it's about the girl who is coming, leaving their parents.
It's not only about the girl also, Sudeep, it is about the whole family involved.
Whole family, obviously. So in this case, we can't be very selfish. We have to think, when we are 100% sure that I'm ready, I'm getting married, then only you should get married. Or else you can wait.
Or else you can wait. I agree with you. What do you think, Nabia?
Yes, ma'am. Whatever our friend said, that is correct only. Marriage is based on fidelity and compatibility. So one of my friend, I share one anecdote. So one of my engineering friend got married in 2012. After 1 year of married life, he got divorced. Not divorced. He is not that guy is not adjusting with that girl. I don't know what happened. She was pregnant also. So after 3 months, he sent her home. He sent her home and said, whenever I have time, I will come and see you. He didn't go. After that, what happened? Don't know. Boy baby born. Then she came to Bangalore. Afterwards, he told, I don't want to live with you. So we are not together, made for each other. So you be in one room, I will be in another room.
What is this? Not made for each other. Nowadays it is become.
I don't know, why these guys are behaving like that. Then if he don't want that girl, why he did pregnant?
No, why did he marry?
Why did he marry and why did he do that one? So he had an affair before, ma'am. Love marriage. He had a love. I don't know what happened in between. One day he said, what he said, no, if you agree, we'll give life for that girl. Like that he told.
Okay, so that is the
He
thing.
is very sensitive. She is very sensitive. That time she cried.
But now she must be strong enough.
Yes, I don't know what happened when he